Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you step by step how you can convert a PDF file into a Microsoft Word document from your laptop. So here I have opened my laptop screen in front of you. First let me show you the PDF file that we are going to convert into a Word document. Here it is. You can see that this is a PDF file that cannot be edited. Now let's convert it into a Word document. From your laptop, first open Chrome or any other browser and type Convert PDF to Word in there. Multiple websites will appear in front of you. Some of them are paid while some are for free. So why pay when you can get the same thing for free? On this page, the second one called ilovepdf.com is for free. So let's tap on that. Now you can see there is a red box with select PDF file written on it. We will click on it and select the PDF file we want to convert into a Word document. The file has been attached. Now click on Convert to Word. The PDF file is being converted into a Word document. This can sometimes take a second. Now here we have it saying that we can download our Word document. So we will click on it, wait for a few seconds, and the PDF file will appear in the downloads of our laptop. Here you can see that the file has been converted. You can also check the document from the download section of your laptop. Here you can see that the file has been converted to a Word document and now you can make changes in it. Hope you liked our video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel.